In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensors on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Just grab this panel and slide it up. It is pushed in. There's some clips on the back. We're going to take these air intake tubes and just pull these out. It just slides out. Do that on both sides. There's a cam sensor right here. This is the one we're going to be replacing. On this side there's two. There's this one and then below it. On the other side you have the sensor here and here. And the procedure is going to be the same for all of them. Disconnect the connector. There should be a little button tab right here that you just push down, release it, disconnect it. Using a E8 socket, I'm going to take this bolt out. Take that out, grab the sensor, give it a wiggle, and it slides right out. Take the new sensor. You can put a little silicone or dielectric grease on the O-ring and slide it in place. Just push it in. Take the bolt, line that up, get that started. I'm going to torque this bolt to 72 inch-pounds. Take the connector, reconnect the connector, lock it down. I'll put the air ducts in, get those lined up. Same on the other side. Take this cover, line it up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.